Morning everybody, welcome back to Road Rodent Restore. I'm John. Okay then, so it's time to come up with some sort of backlight on the bike, rear light. This is the shape of the backlight, as you know. Backlight goes there, number plate goes sweeping off down there. This is what I'm faced with. This is going to be what the mudguard's going to look like. Somehow I've got to fix that around this part somewhere. So I've come up with an idea. Not sure whether it's going to work or not, but as you know, it's a landfill bike, so I've found this at the local landfill, being the wife's kitchen cupboard. So I'm going to try and fix this onto there, and this onto there. How hard can it be? Let's see if it works. So without further ado, let's get on with it. Okay then, so I've made a bit of a weird template out of some cardboard. So let's see if we can cut that out of the saucepan. Got a black marker, black saucepan, hope we can see it. No, that won't work, will it, that way? It's got to go that way. So sort of cut it straight across it first. Cut it a bit bigger than I need it. Just about see that. Put some masking tape on it so I can really see what I'm doing. It's a good idea, isn't it? I might be able to see the line. Yeah, it's a bit better. And then bit of safety, bit more safety, and I must admit, the first time I've used this, so I'm pretty nervous. Better get the wire out of the way, and I don't want to cut through that. Oh, that's made me sweat a bit. So now I've got to try and cut that bit off and that bit. Okay then, so we've marked that out. going to cut down there, cut across there, cut down there. But let's see where we are. So let's do that. I'll drink my coffee first. So that's that one. Now let's do this one. Okay then, see, look, let's have a look, see what that's done. Still a bit hot. Cut into there. Cut into there. Still pretty hot. See what we can do with that. Right then, let's try to drill a pilot hole to start us off. See if the 6mm bolt fits. Perfect. I've got to work out where to put that on the mud guard. Right then, I think if we go from this middle rack line, get our bolt there somewhere, we should be laughing. Let's use our trusty masking tape. So that should be level. This is just attached to the seat with a little bolt underneath, but hopefully I'm going to open those out and attach it to the sides of these frames. Can't see me, can you? Yes, side of these two frames. Hopefully get a bolt in there and a bolt in there so they're spread out like that. There are two more bolts down here somewhere. So it should look like that. With a little light and a mud guard. Make sure it's still central. So that's got to go about there somewhere. So I'm going to have a hole there, another hole there, and another hole there. Just some black bolts on the top of this mud guard. Well, that's what I'm hoping. Let's see how tough we can make it look. I'm just going to whip this rack off out of the way. Okay then, here's my trusty hot drill. Oh, needs to be a bit bigger. You can get that through there. Put the nut on it. Oh, I'm liking it, I'm liking it. That can just bolt onto there. So, there you go. That's one way of fixing your rear light and number plate to your back end. Now it's all loose at the minute, but this is going to be on there like that, rock solid. I'm very happy with that. Let me zoom you in on it. Yeah, looks alright, doesn't it? I'm chuffed to bits with it. Lovely. Yes, it's amazing what you can do with an old saucepan. Right, okay then, so that's the end of the video. That is how I fitted my rear light and rear number plate bracket all in one to my CBR1000F Landfill bike. So hopefully it'll be of some use to some people who are building a Street Fighter or something like that, or a rat bike or whatever. Yes, I was a bit nervous at the beginning with my angle grinder, but I got there in the end. Still got my old angle grinder, which decided to touch itself to my hand. With my glove. Cool. Distant memories. Yes, and that one has burnt out, by the way. Don't know why I've still got it. Just, you know, you never know. Might need some parts for it, for bearings or whatever. Yes, there's my old accident, all healed up. Did have a lot of pain down my finger and sort of in there as well, in my palm. It kept me off the guitar for a few weeks. But we live and learn, don't we? Make sure we've got our safety angle on, make sure we've got our safety shield on, and never ever take them off. Or could end up with something a lot worse. So, anyway, you can like, you can share, you can comment. Please comment if you want to. You know, you guys are pretty quiet. And you can definitely help me out by subscribing. And there is some donations down in the description down below, downstairs. So, stay well, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.
I'll see you in another life, brother.